This is a vlog. We're gonna be selling trash cans. And yeah, this is my cousin, Sir Money, and we're gonna go to Ross after. And yeah, stay tuned. Car now. Yes, sir. Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna go to sell the trash can behind us, and then we're gonna, go to Ross and get some stuff. So, guys,
$5, $5. Oh, $15.
Oh, that's crazy. We're going to the trash station.
Like that. You're 2 shilling.
Yup. Now.
Show. It's a lot.
Oh my gosh. This guy has a lot. But guys, me and my cousin, we're gonna go fix this money making process. See you guys.
Grab the...
How much we lose? 42. Yeah, we'll see you guys at Ross. We're back. We're going to Ross. Ross right now. How you feeling? Yes, sir. We'll see you guys. Yeah, so we're into the sports section. Let's get a. We're at the boxing, and I might try to buy this or the gray one for me.
Yo, look at him.
14 ounce.
It's open.
Yeah, I'm trying to sell this. What should I get?
Shit, man. Up to you.
Record me doing this. I don't know if I should.
Should I give it to you?
Yep.
I think that's the last gray one down there.
What are you talking?
Yes, I got you.
That's the last gray one. You got the last one.
Yeah, this is the last gray one.
Is that orange?
Come get Alfie. Get Alfie. Tell your papa. Tell your papa.
Hey, what's Alfie?
Yes, sir. So here, guys, this is a clip of me picking which glove color I should pick between the gray and red. So basically, me and my cuz, we had like a deal to play this queen game. The red is tails and the heads is the gray. So it landed on tails, so we're supposed to pick the red one, but I didn't want it because my cousin had the other one, and yeah, so I just picked the gray one. So this is me ended up getting the gray one because it looks good. I really want gray, and my old boxing gloves is gray, so why not? And yeah, so Ross is at its prime right now. Like, I think every summer Ross has like good products that we could get. I was supposed to get the red one, but I wanted to try something different because my cousin has the red one. Man, look how happy I am. I don't know if you guys could see my face because this clip is a bit long. We're about to check out. So what we bought. And so guys, we're done with our me and my cousin were gonna inside the car. Yes, sir. So we're finally going back home, and this is my cousin. I can't play the original audio because we have like a music playing, and it's copyright purposes. But me and my cousin, we're finally done shopping at Ross. It was a very busy day. I had to take out so many stuff, and I was like very, very tired. And that's my little cousin. Woohoo! Yeah. Smells strong. To kill someone. I feel like better be it. Okay. Oh my gosh! Bro, dude, this feels like my old 10 ounce.
There you go, man.
There was a 12 ounce, but nah, that's dangerous. 14 ounce. It feels good. I feel like a different fighter. Yep. Looks good. I like the thumb, I like the power lock, everything. I feel strong. So if you guys are still watching, this is the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys' support. I'm very happy that you guys watch my videos, and this is the end of the vlog. I hope you stay tuned for my next vlog, I guess. And yeah. Don't know why I'm still recording, but bye.